let's start winding down what has been a reasonably good session for the bulls, who were slammed very hard last week. So this week, to start off with Monday, we've got a 170 point tally on the Nifty, and fairly broad-based: consumer, steel, metals, and a bit of oil and gas as well. So JSW Steel up about 2%, ITC up 2%, Hindalco 2%, ONGC and Reliance have had a good session, about 1.5% on both of those stocks. Trent was another solid name from the consumer pack, throw in a Titan as well over there. And then let's not forget the banks, because the bank Nifty has actually outperformed the Nifty today with a gain of over 1%. So ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, all the big boys doing really well, gains between 1 and 2%. Where we did see some profit taking on the large cap screen was the auto pack, Hero MotoCorp, Maruti. They were slightly downbeat. Some selling on Bajaj Finserv and HDFC Life. By the way, insurers, even beyond the Nifty, like ICICI, Prudential, Lombard, Max, all these names, New India Assurance, all these names were down because the GST changes on insurance, both life and health, they have been deferred.
Despite it being a good day, at least on the frontline indices, the advanced decline ratio closed well in favor of the number of stocks declining. So we had about 1,000 stocks advancing for 1,500 stocks in the red. So that's disappointing. The mid-cap index managed to close up in the green, but there were moments through the trade where the mid-cap index was dipping into the red. Small-cap index closed in the red. That was down 0.25%. That's the Nifty small-cap index. The BSE small-cap index was down nearly 0.6%. So 3/4 of a percentage point gone on the small-cap index. Some of the big, notable movers, at least on the mid-cap end of trade. Well, you had MobiKwik, that did pretty well. HCC was under pressure. Zomato was weak. So was Swiggy, Ola Electric, all of them declining in trade. On the way up, we spoke about MobiKwik, but Intellect Design Arena, the two cement names, India Cement and Star Cement. India Cement, of course, has got the CCI approval for its merger with Ultratech Cement. Then you had a sale, and the entire metal basket up and about in trade. And some PSU banks like Bank of Baroda, Union Bank managed a positive close. Well, with that, it's a wrap on Closing Bell. Thank you for watching, but don't go anywhere. On the other side, we'll prep you up for tomorrow with Markets Forward.